everybody. We're here at Thunder Valley for the, what would this be, third round of motocross series. Expecting a good day. It's a good track, good weather. Justin's feeling good. I think it's going to be a good day. We'll go out there and qualify good, get 2 good starts, and put in 2 good solid motos for a podium.
It ain't bad, the track. It was a little hard to push that one though, because how muddy it was. Down those hills, a little scary. Yeah. Got removed a little. I think I had a little more traction.
Yeah, letting it follow around a little more. Yeah, it was a pretty small change, but.
First.
On the map. One of them, you notice the front a little bit calm on each. What do they have?
Not that fast. Dude, it's like, yeah, but what we do for training, I don't know what, it's not working. Yeah, come up to it, hit the bump, left hand gone, dude. Bar stopper, sky it. Still. Yeah, I was doubling over that and I lost my back.
Good. We're really good. That wall jump.
Yeah, the lap before, hand came off. I almost had a big one, dude.
What happened?
My hand, you know that wall jump? You gotta come up to it and like your braking bumps, and then like you brake hard to scrub it. And when I was braking, like, dude, I was on my front brakes hard, left hand just off the bars, dude. Bar stop, like going up it, and I'm like, oh, like, dude, I'm one hand at this point. And then I just fully skied it. And I saved it. Kept going with my lap. What happened to Smitty?
Here's what I'm on that. Down. Hard. Nothing hard. Hard enough.
Knocked his visor off.
He actually did it. Crash got up. And he didn't land up the first time jump on his bottom.
We're all at the same elevation, so every team has to deal with it. But bikes are way slower up here. So 450 class is not that big a deal. They have so much power. But the 250 class, we need everything we can get. So and with this big uphill start, we just try to get as much power out of the bikes as we can. And yeah, that's pretty much the big change for coming up here in Colorado and Lakewood. That's what we and all the other teams kind of struggle with. Well, typically, the riders start in second gear. Here, like we said, you want as much power and you want that jump and drive coming off the gate. So the riders are playing around with starting in first gear. Some of them still prefer to start in second. Yeah, some of them start in first gear. Just helps them get that jump right off the gate.
Yeah, I feel really good today, actually. I went down to the farm last week, Tuesday. The team and I tested suspension from like 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we had a big day and I made a lot of progress on my bike. So I feel like more like myself. The first 3 races haven't been great. I've just felt off. So glad I got some things figured out this week with the bike and just more confidence with myself. So yeah, I'm excited to see what we can do today. I think I qualified top 10, which is a win for me. If I can be in that top 10, then I'm happy with it. So get a good start. Try like I know how to. Yeah, we feel solid. Qualified, I believe, second overall. So we're happy with that. That's awesome. And yeah, I mean, we'll see. First moto today. We're after the 450s, so track's getting a little more hammered. But again, I mean, track's solid, so it'll be a good day. Bike's good. Hopefully We go up there, stay up front. That's where we like to be.
How do you feel about going second today?
I mean, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I haven't done it. I've only done it once, but the track I don't think is too gnarly where it's gonna be a problem. Like, it's gonna be sketchy. Like, I mean, 450s do it all the time, so I think it's gonna be all right.
Dax wrapped up. It's for the ladies, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. First time at Thunder Valley, first time in Colorado, I think. So I didn't do the Supercross here. I was obviously on the East Coast. So yeah, it's cool. It's I like the track so far. It's probably my favorite out of the first two at least. So yeah, it's a little more East Coast, so I like it. And qualifying was good. I just tried to learn the track as best I can before the motos, and I feel like I'm in a pretty good spot. You know, I think our bike should be really, you know, we should be able to whole shot. So whole shot, and then just try and hold my position for a few laps. And you know, we need to make some in this weekend.
A little under the weather today. All week I haven't touched a bike, haven't touched a workout, a bicycle, anything. And then to come to elevation, I'm struggling pretty bad today. So we're gonna give it our best and see what we can do.
Justin's doing pretty good. I think he likes this track, so he's got some good vibes going. P3 in practice. We tried some second gear starts, but I think we'll stick with the first gear start here. The start's it's got a pretty steep hill right out of it too, so it's crucial to get a good jump, get that shift pretty quick. He's right there, and the class is tight, so everybody is back and forth. I mean, it's cool to watch, you know, as a fan for sure. You gotta have a different winner, it seems like, any moto, any weekend, so hopefully get 2 podium finishes in the motos and end up on the podium overall.
Yeah, I enjoy this place overall. Thunder Valley always been really good to me, so yeah, qualified third, and yeah, feel good on the track already. Like the bike where it's at, and yeah, we'll see if we get some rain, some weather. Might be coming, but as of right now, yeah, focus on the moto, one moto at a time, and yeah, we're feeling good going to this first moto, so excited.
Yeah, qualifying went good. Justin put in 2 really good practices, P3 overall. Riding well, happy with the bike, happy with the track. So I would say that the history shows that we're pretty good on starts here. Yep. Go out, like I said, execute a couple starts, and should be on the podium. First call. Never mind. We're on weather hole. What? Weather hole.
Hunter, we talked about the 32 down. He was 2 seconds a lap quicker than Aaron Plessinger, so no story. It's a random battle that 8-7. Halfway through moto number 1.
Yeah, best start you did. Glad you saved it.
Well, you did. I run really bad. When I was in the whole time, had it was like one like that, and it was long.
You did. The start was good, but you revved out a little sooner, just a little sooner. Like I heard it. You went pretty far.
pass. He might have it. Oh, VL goes down trying to make the pass.
And Brock, the energy to pick the bike back up, the mental strain now, the personal mistake, it's on him.
You know, that's where it's at. Trust me, if you looked at his heart monitor from that little sequence right there, completely.
I mean, absolutely phenomenal day for Justin Cooper. 2 hole shots, I think a total of 23 laps led. That's pretty amazing. And man, at one point he was 3 laps away from an overall right there. So we've been so close every weekend, and he deserves this podium. And hopefully the next step is the win.
Man, 2 hole shots today and led for a while, so definitely gave it my all. Definitely ran out a little bit, but tried to stay in it and fight till the end. But yeah, big improvements. I mean, I'm stoked.
How you feel? First 450 podium, bro.
Yeah, it's awesome. Just missed it last week, so come back, get some redemption this week. It's pretty awesome. So go back to work, man.
Number 3 spot. Big drag race out of the gates right now. And it is goes to Moto, so Honda runs 1-3 right now. Lars feeling good about podium bookends, no question.
Thanks, going.
Yeah. Thanks.
I was giving it all I had. I just didn't have good lines. That was good. 1-2 on the day. Another consistent weekend. So got the dub. That's 3 in a row. And the crowd here is awesome. They love the Deeks. But yeah, good day. Just keep on grinding, baby. Keep on digging and keep on busting out these wins. They're nice.
Yeah, was sick all week, had the flu or something. Really just laid on the couch all week long. Did press day yesterday. And then, yeah, I felt okay today, but being at elevation, it was tough. I mean, I would do 1 lap in practice and just be smoked. So I was like, man, I got to do about 15 or 16 of these in a row twice today. So, yeah, it was a struggle, but going down the first turn of the first moto made it that much worse too. So ended up decent. P10 overall, not, you know, not the riding I've had the first 2 weeks and stuff, not where we want to be, but we'll take it for a very off day.
Day actually went really well. Started out first qualifier, Hayden was second fastest, but like literally within hundredths of a second of the fastest qualifying time. So you end up second. and its second qualifier wasn't as fast, so he ended up second overall, which is fantastic. The other guys kind of struggled in practice a little bit. Obviously at elevation, there's a lot of things that we're fooling with. You know, we were able to get those guys as comfortable and move into the motos. Great start from Hayden. Smitty had a great start. I don't know what happened, but he ended up going down in the first turn, so he fought his way from dead last. Came back, fought his way back from dead last. Hayden ended up winning the moto. Fantastic. So yeah, going into the second moto, it had just started raining when we were on the gates. The track got really slick. Hayden ended up with a second place start with Hymas out front, and literally just kind of, and Hymas was riding like the track was dry, to be honest. He was pushing really hard and he was putting down really good lap times. Obviously, big picture, let's just ride this thing home for a second. Had a little bit of pressure at the very end, but it was no problem. Ended up second, went 1-2, got first overall. It's awesome. We got 23-point lead going into High Point. We're excited for that, so we're happy. We'll keep working on things with the other guys to get them top 10 results, top 5 results, and just keep progressing every week with them. We're in this thing. We're happy, so see you at High Point.